and welcome back to TechStack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Today we'll try to explore the challenge number 7 and it's a job scraping bot. Develop a job scraping bot, scrape the details available jobs on Google into the Excel. Read that Excel when it is done. Filter the location highest RPA and post the output on the message box. So first of all, we need to land to this Google application. Google, and here we need to set this RPA jobs. Post that we need to click on this board and we need to extract these details. Once you extracted these details, and we need to find the highest location. For example, we got some data into Excel file. That Excel file need to go to the location columns, and we need to find which location having the highest number of jobs. So we'll go back to the UiPath Studio and we'll explore that. Taking the open browser activity, and here I need to update the URL as google.com. Just I will take from the browser side. I will update it here. And I will go to the properties and select the browser type as Chrome. So you can select whatever you want. And here I will make it as private. So then it will go to the incognito mode. Once it is going to go there, so we need to type into first activity. Type into. So we need to enter the here RPA jobs. RPA jobs. Let me check this record as well. Okay, it's fine. So once you entered RPA jobs, after that we need to click on the, we need to enter. So for that I'm taking hotkeys. Send hotkeys. Then we need to click on the enter option. So just I will put it here, location, and I will select the enter here key. So let me take the enter button. So enter is set. So that is done. And next is we need to click on the 100 plus more jobs. Take the one more click activity. Going inside and click on the sphere. For everything, we need to check the selectors whether it is working fine or not. And sometimes here, as of now, it is 100 is there. Maybe it will change or not. I'm not sure for that. I will just keep it as start. Then it will convert to the dynamic selector, partially dynamic, not fully. This is done. And then next, once you click on this, we need to scrape this data from the left corner of this box. We can see this box now. We need to scrape the data from there. Taking data scraping and capturing the elements. So first step. So first one is I will make it as roles. Let me make it roles and let me extract the company names. I'm taking the company name, and the final I will take the location's name. So as of now, I'm extracting only these three things. Rest of the things you can try from your end and let me know if you're able to extract or not. And here the main agenda is we need to get the count of the, which location having the highest RPA jobs. So these are the data is enough for me. So everything is collected and let me go to the finish. So if not, you can make change to 1000, whatever it may be, you can change that. So, and I don't want to go the next pages and there is no next pages. So I will just click on the no. So this extract data is done. Let me go to say this table is there and I will change the scope of the variable. I will change to RPA challenge 7. Now this is done. Once this is done, I need to update the data into the one Excel file. For that, I'm taking right range workbook. So I don't want to open and paste it. I just have Without opening the Excel file. For that, I'm using the right range workbook activity. I will make sheet name as sheet 1 and export data table, and I will select the location. Let me created one. Okay, anyway, in output only, I will create sheet 2. Let me go and check whether sheet 2 is there or not. Okay, I will delete the sheet 1 and I will update into the sheet 1 data. So now everything is done. After that, we need to find the highest RPA locations. Reading the data from the Excel file, read range, and I will take the Excel file. So in this output only, we are saving the file. And here my sheet name is, I will want again. I will just copy and paste it. And I will save the output into one variable which called Excel data table. I will make it as Excel data table. After that, we need to find the highest location. I will take get row item, and here I will pass the row. So extra data table dot rows of 2. And here mention the column. So number is I will take that 2 and enter the data I will store into the one variable with location. Once this is done, I will show the output in one message box. And in this message box, I will write highest RPA tops in. After that, I will pass the location. I'm saving this. Let me close this everything. I'm running this bot. So it opens the incognito window and rest of the steps it will do one by one. And we can see the final output. So highest location is available in Bangalore and Karnataka. Let me go to that output, the Excel output, and we can see these things. So here the highest count is having the Bangalore, so we give the correct output. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.